videos for my 2012 Bowman Chrome Breakbird Auto. 10 spots in this. We have a list that has Austin on the bookends and Jarrett with every spot in between. Live timestamp is 1826, current time 1826. Paste this list. Roll the dice, need 4 or higher. Do it again. Okay, we're going to random this 26 times, guys. And we're going to begin this giveaway at 18:27 and 12 seconds. And if the first random, we have Jared on top. After 2, Jared. After 3, Jared. After 4, Jared. After 5 times, Jared on top, spot number 6. Dice roll was 6. The random 5 times. 6th and final random coming at 18:27 and 45 seconds. And the winner of this Raz is Jarrett Landis, spot number 7. To recap, dice roll was a 6, with random 6 times. Jarrett finished on top of spot number 6. Our verification code here is BZAVPG. We are done. And that done timestamp is done timestamp is 18:28, current time 18:28. Thanks, guys.